Hey, you guys, you know what time it is. We are making a creamy, tangy broccoli salad, perfect for side dishes or even a little summer snack. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, we have 4 cups of broccoli, and then the rest are half cups. We have spiraled carrots, diced red onion, sunflower seeds, dried cranberries, and crumbled bacon. You can use bacon bits, but I prefer just making the bacon. Tastes better that way. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, we have 1 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. We have 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and then salt and pepper to taste. One thing I would say is make sure there's enough salt to balance out the honey. I feel like it ends up coming out really sweet. So again, go off your best judgment, but what I would say is salt it more than you would think. So let's pour her on there and then mix her on up and make her cute. Comment below if you try it. Let me know how it tastes. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. See you guys later.